Hey everyone, in this video I'll be talking about the if condition which looks something like this, and you may have seen this in very much programs in documentation or any other tutorials or videos and something like that. So what is the meaning of this and why we use this and why we should use this? Okay, so moving on to why. Now let me tell you before that I have created two files, which is module1.py and module2.py, and under module1.py I have a definition. I have created a function with a parameter string and which prints out a string with the parameter. So now when I call it, it prints out to be, hey, you call orange with juice. Now juice is a parameter. Now let me tell you that before all the execution of the program happens, what does Python do is it sets some special variables to some special values. So what I mean by that is some variable name is like this. So there is a variable, special variable, double underscore name. This is a variable, this is a special variable. So now before the execution of this file, this variable get assigned to some value. So if I print out the value of this, I get the main. Okay, so let me comment out this and print out what is the value of this. That is the main, double underscore main. Okay, now when let me delete that and uncomment it. Now when I do that, so the main gets printed. So the meaning of that is Python is telling that this module1.py is running directly. This file is running directly into the Python and it is not getting imported. Means this file, these things is not imported by any other file. This is directly running. Now when I import this module1.py into module2.py, let me import that. Module1, and while importing .py is not necessary. So now when I run it, so it's printed out, hey, you called orange with juice, which was written in module1.py. So while importing, so when I import this, it gets printed. Now we'll do the same thing as we done few seconds ago, and we name. So this is a variable. Now when I run this in module1.py directly into this, it's giving me main, right? Now when I run this in module.py, when I import it, now see that it gives me the module1, which is the name of that file, module1.py, and we have printed in this module the name of it. So what is happening is when I import the module1.py into module.2py, the name of the module1.py get printed when importing, and when I see the name of this module which I am running which I am in this right now is main. So this module2 .py becomes the main file, or we can say we are into this, we are in this, working in this file, and this is the main file we are working. And we imported this module, and when we import that, the things in this file gets executed. So if we want these things to be not executed when I import it, okay, so when I don't want things to get printed when I import this module, what I do is I simply check whether this file is running directly or not. Oh, sorry. So that's done. Now these things will only get run if whenever I run the module1.py directly, or when I can say that the name of the present module is main. We are running the file right now is in the main, as the main as a name. Hope you get it right. So when I run it now, it only gets printed main, and the things inside this doesn't get printed because it only runs when this file gets run directly. So that's how the meaning of this and the use of this. So there are also things like, suppose if I want to tell that this module has got imported, let's say if, and like this. So after the whole programs, and after that at the end I can do this, and I simply pass it the name of the module. Right, so now when I do this, so module 1 is imported successfully. So there are points when I want that regardless of whether this file is run as directly or indirectly, this will be executed. This is a main file or any imported file, this line will be executed. Okay, so that's the difference between so that's the meaning of that, not the difference. That's the meaning of the use of this name condition, name main condition. If you have any issues or any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. So the only way you can appreciate this is by liking that video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be making more videos like this. Thank you very much. I appreciate that you watched. Thanks.